Hello everyone, in today's video we'll guide you through how to remove and add backgrounds to videos on CapCut for PC. So if you find this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening CapCut on your PC. Once CapCut is open, click on New Project. Now click on the Import button and choose the desired video from your computer that you wish to remove the background from. Once the video is imported, drag it to the timeline. Now select the video in the timeline. On the right-hand side, in the Properties panel, you will find different options to adjust the video. To remove the background, click on the Cutout option. Here you will find two options, Chroma Key and Auto Cutout. If you wish to remove a specific color from your video, like a green screen, you can select the Chroma Key option. If you want to remove the background of a character, choose the second option, Auto Cutout. Once you click on the checkbox, it will take a short time to process the video. You can see that you have successfully removed the background of the video. Now let's move towards adding a background to a video. To add a background video, click on the Import button in the Media Library. Choose the background video from your computer, select it, and click on the Open button. Once the background video is imported, click and drag it to the timeline. Make sure your background video is under the character video track. Move your character video track to the upper track and your background video to the first track. That's it. You can see that you have successfully removed and added a background in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.